In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 5 steps of getting into deep work for law school. Coming right up. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. This video is a follow-up on how to excel in law school with limited time. In case you missed it, there's a link in the description below. Sabi ni Cal Newport, deep work is the result of intense focus over time. Deep work will allow you to get more things done in nearly half the time. It begins with setting your schedule for deep work. If you're a full-time student, you can have 2 deep work sessions. Let's say you have one for 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then you resume at 1 p.m. until 3 p.m. If you're a working student, you can have your deep work scheduled at 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. If you're an early riser, you can also have your deep work schedule at 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Step 1. Decide on the most important task on your list. For example, ang klase namin mamaya ay evidence. In this class, our professor usually asks for the caudal provision first, followed by hypothetical situations. My tasks for this subject are read the textbook, prepare the notes kasi bawal ang book at caudal sa klase, memorize and understand the caudal provisions, read supplementary materials like the memory aid, practice reciting kasi on deck ako at terror siya. In this example, I need to decide on the most important task. On this list, the most important task is to memorize the caudal provisions. Hindi sapat na memorize ko lang word for word. Mas mahalaga ang maintindihan ko. I'll share with you my tactics on how to read and understand caudal provisions in our future videos. For now, I have decided that for the next 30 minutes, I will do nothing but read and understand and hopefully memorize Rules 128 to Rule 130 of the Rules of Court. Step 2. Honor your study period. Deep work is only as good as the intensity of the focus we can give. Start the timer for 25 to 30 minutes. This session is sacred. I cannot check my phone, read email, or even stand up to go to the bathroom or eat during the study period. Maiksi lang kasi ang study period. So make it count. Step 3. Mark your list as and when you complete your tasks. Our brains are wired to receive dopamine each time we achieve or complete a task. Dopamine ang dahilan bakit masaya ka kapag maraming nag-like ng post mo sa IG. Bakit high ka sa panalo sa Mobile Legends. Marking your list will give you a sense of accomplishment, which will boost your confidence and drive you to achieve more. Step 4. Go beyond your boundaries. Setting the timer for a study session, deciding on that one task, does not mean you have to stop when the timer is completed. If you're in deep work, napasarap ka sa basa, at 2 pages na lang naman, by all means, please continue. Mas material sa human brain ang reward mo for completing a case versus the reward of finally being able to browse your Facebook feed. The timer is there para mapako ang puwet mo sa upuan at mag-aral ka. Step 5. Make time for your recovery. Deep work is very draining. The ability to focus for 3 to 6 hours each day is going to zap your energy. but it'll also free up your schedule so you can do more, be more, and ultimately achieve more. When your timer runs out and you feel a break is in order, stand up, play with your dog, go to the bathroom, stretch, and make another cup of coffee. The ability to focus on a single task for extended periods of time is a habit. Like all good habits, acquiring the habit of deep work now will serve you for the rest of your life. Studying with intensity is part of the practice of law. Even after we pass the bar, kailangan pa rin nating mag-aral. Deep work is hard to master, but it gets easier. Hindi naman pumapatag ang bundok sa iyong pag-akyat. Lumalakas ka lang relative sa bundok. Dito na pumapasok ang deep work. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this with your friends para mabawasan naman ang chismisan sa group study sessions nyo. And I will see you in the next video.